Are you using email signatures in your emails? If not, I will share 4 reasons why you should use them and show you how you can easily create email signatures, either one or several different ones, using Cloud HQ. The reasons you should use them are: number one, branding and brand recognition. By using consistent email signatures, whether it's a personal brand or it's a company brand, you create recognition around your brand with including them in every email. Number two, your signature in your email works as your digital business card. By adding a professional looking signature, you show your willingness for communication. Number three, it can add some personal association to your brand by using a photo, maybe of yourself if you're a personal brand, or a photo that is closely associated with your company. And the last reason is this is a perfect place to add some quick links for the people you correspond with, where they can reach, for example, your website or your social media by just clicking on a symbol. So, with that said, let's move over to my computer and I will show you how to create them. So, here we are at cloudhq.net and my installed Cloud HQ apps. And today we're going to work with this one, email signature generator. You can do this directly from your Gmail, and I will show you how a little later on. But I prefer to create my signatures right on the Cloud HQ website. So we click that one, and then we can choose Design My Signature. And here we have the model to design it. It's first of all details. You can choose a photo. I have already uploaded this one, but you can change file if you want to just by clicking choose file. The format here should be a square, and then you can choose your name, your email address, if you work for a company, your title, your phone number, mobile phone number, your address, and your website. In this case, I am just adding this. This is a very simple signature. And on the right hand side here, you have the preview. So if I was to add something here, you can see that it comes automatically adds on to my signature. The next little button here on the left hand side is where you can add your social profile links. If you click add another, you can see how many different social media links you can add here. Third section on the left hand side here, the little drop, is where you design when it comes to fonts and color. Layout, you can choose horizontal, classical, compact, clean, stacked, elegant, elegant 2, and spacious. You can change your font. You can choose the font size, the color of the fonts, link colors, heading color. I have chosen the red, and label colors. It's this little name here. You can choose to show label or not show, and you can choose to show or not show your photo. The next one is extensions you can add. You can add a disclaimer, green footer. You have many different alternatives here too. You can add a custom banner and choose the size of the banner, and you can also add some text. You can choose to add custom HTML. You can promote a website. You can choose a banner from the Cloud HQ net, for example, a seasonal banner. And since it's Christmas, we could choose a Christmas banner. We can add a little video. I will in a later tutorial show you how you can record your video directly from Cloud HQ. You can add a poll if you have a sales event or if you have your Cloud HQ connected to your calendar, you can have a book me, schedule a meeting link. So those were all the extensions you can add. When I am happy with the look of my signature, I just click Save Signature and it's saved. Since I use several different email accounts in my Gmail, I can go up here to the From part and choose another account. In this case, my Swedish fika. And I can create a separate signature for that account and use all the different parts here. So you can set up one signature for each email account you are using in your Gmail. Now, let's take a quick look at how you can do this from your Gmail. We click Compose, the new message. Here you see this is from PixelPia. If I was sending this from a Swedish fika instead, it puts in that tag. But let's say that I was gonna send it from this email address that doesn't have a signature added to it. If I look down at the bottom here, I have this little signature, manage Gmail signatures. I click that and it will open in a separate little window that takes me to this generator that we just used. So that's the two ways you can create your Gmail signature using Cloud HQ. So now you can easily start to create your own email signatures. Until next time, hej då!